What's up, guys? So it's Carlos with Dream Auto Sales. Today, we're gonna have my father out here. He runs the shop. He works on all of our inventory, and he also brings in customers from outside. He's a mobile mechanic, and I'm trying to get him switched over to just doing work here in the shop. But we've got this car that was a trade-in, and on this car, the AC did not work. We checked it, and the AC compressor is bad. Also, when you would turn, the car would make a loud clicking noise. It was just that ends up being the driver's side um, CV axle. So we are going to get that fixed. So if you have a car that when you're turning, just left, right, or when you hit the gas to go and it just makes a clicking noise, it's going to be the CV axle. It's not the biggest job in the world. Uh, Parts, you're looking at about $80 to $120 for the CV axle. And then as far as labor goes, usually we charge here at the shop between 100 to 150. There's a few cars out there that are, 180 to 200. Um, it's about a 2.5 hour job, maybe a little quicker. It just depends on the car. So once you have the car jacked up, let me show y'all the CV axle on this car. This right here is actually the CV axle. There is no sign as far as it leaking or anything like that, but sometimes there is play, and this one right here does not have any play, but it does move. I mean, it does make noise. So we're gonna pull that off. This is the one on the passenger side. Same thing, no play on this one. But it's not the hardest thing to change. I'll show y'all some videos of it getting done. So now y'all know where the CV axle is located on these cars. Every front wheel drive is going to be the same. Rear wheel drive also has CV axles. They have a differential, but that's a whole nother story. If y'all have any questions as far as vehicle repair maintenance, just feel free to comment. I'm going to try to make videos on actual repairs or where items are located because that's something that I search on YouTube a lot, and I know a lot of people search for that. So let me know. Make sure to subscribe.